Hello, my lovely Taurus. Welcome to our channel and this beautiful read, which is much more gonna be about, uh, I would just say the Valentine week read, but it's gonna be till the 20th of February, something like that. And let's see the love life, the challenges, the games, and everything which we are here with. So let's begin with the read. Also, I would wanted to tell you, Taurus, that we are here, and the ones who wanted to know about our personal reading concept, I'm just here to tell you that the February month prices are very discounted rates, so you can book your personal reading. Okay, generally, and for the March month also the bookings have been started to be taken. There is going to be a very huge gap between the February month read and the March month love readings, the personal readings totally. The changes are very high. Definitely, when you're going to be in contact with us, you would be able to know every packages and every aspects of it, and accordingly you may join us and get your personal reading on your hands and improvise your lifestyle is what I can just tell you. Okay, the very first card which is coming up for you, Taurus, says the Knight of Cups. Wow, I think the very important thing that I need to tell you here is basically you are too much. First of all, you're looking younger than you were maybe, and also attracted to someone, to the one person who is somewhere younger to you. Okay, charming, beautiful person who has a beautiful appearance specific, I would tell you. And it's not only about appearances, it's much more about the authenticity of the person. It's very huge, it's very high standards maintained. You want to share the cup of love towards them, Taurus. You really like them a lot. I won't say love, but yeah, the likeness is very high right now. Maybe the physical attraction is also something that is identified. Ace of Wands. Beginning, yes. This is where you are wanting yourself to enter into a new beginning with them. Now, your thought, your aspect, your perspective of looking into this life, into this vision is what? A new beginning, a new start with them, with the person you feel like you have imagined life, you have been thinking about, Taurus, and I feel that the standardized is maintained. Now, I'll tell you one thing, this beginning is not going to be very normalized one like the way you are. You're very much grounded, slow down person, but Taurus, remember that this new beginning will come with a shock thing, come with a spontaneous activity as well. Okay, Ten of Wands. Somewhere you see you're gonna seek that you are not able to cope up with their energies. That's gonna happen in the beginning. In the beginning, in the very first portion, you would realize that when you have met this individual, when you are being with this individual, it has to put a lot of efforts. It has stuffs which is difficult as well in the terms of you trying to give your 100%, they are giving their 100%, but somewhere on the code you didn't realize in the first part that it's this relationship is gonna get into so much of efforts, giving, providing is there. Also there's gonna be a part where you would decide that what should I do, should I enter, should I leave here itself when this new beginning is gonna begin. And you would also see that somewhere, I'll tell you one thing, Taurus, do not begin the relationship with lies, please remember, because the person you are gonna be with will never accept lies, and once it gets revealed, my god, the consequences is what you have never ever dreamed of, I can tell you this thing. So yeah, the situation might happen where you would see that no, you're juggling, but I'll tell you, this is the process. This is the wholesome process of you meeting your soulmate, or you meeting the partner who is a permanent person of your life. Listen, what happens, Taurus, is we always want comfort in our life, and whenever something happens out of comfort, we get disturbed. This is where this kind of love permits you to be out of your comfort zone, to kind of grab situations, to kind of grab circumstances in a manner which is not your forte. But if still you do it, if you still come out of that as a hero or a heroine, you would see the difference. This love will be permanent, this will stay up, this will definitely stay up, provided one thing that I can tell you, that keep the clarity. Keep the clarity. If there was any past relationships, if there was any bad past, if there was anything which when this individual is gonna know, they would burst out. Tell them in the first day itself to kind of save your relationship. I can tell you this thing. Also, Taurus, I see, why do we take readings? Remember to understand the portion of why we are taking it. Why is every zodiac different? Why are you getting impacted? So when you are having a certain zodiac sign, definitely it's 100% thing that you are carrying the energies of this particular zodiac. Remember this. And you need to know and understand how you can control it, what circumstances you need to control it, and where you need to release yourself. This is where, if you really want to understand tarot, you will gain things. Definitely gain things. This is where I think when we are taking personal readings, we definitely keep this thing in the mind that the client who is coming to us, particularly prospectively, understands the core of it and also applies it accordingly in their lifestyle. So that is where, when you get the clarity, you would definitely apply it in certain situations in the certain manner being given by us. That is why I think we come up with the personal readings. Definitely it's chargeable, it's gonna be chargeable, but I think your investment to it would be a life investment, that I can tell you. I definitely can tell you. Book your readings, guys. Use tarotshark@gmail.com. Contact us through that. Mail us, okay? And I'll tell you never to regret it, but to save your life and make it more comfortable. 2025, you would see the 2026 beginning would be a different one. You are going to change yourself. Guaranteed. The consultation is very high. You would definitely gain energies and different vibes from it. Remember, that's it. Thank you for today, and do like, comment, subscribe, share, and share to loads of people. Whoever really are suffering and want something to come to us, definitely they can purchase us the personal reading. Thank you.